Good morning, children. Once again, we are going to start a chapter series only of class 3. This is a class period number 3, okay, Python series. So the last class we have studied about the series in which are all the way we can create the series. Here, the next way we are going to study accessing a data from a series with the position. With the help of the position, how we can able to create a series. So we can also access the data from a series by passing the position value even through slicing. So we can access any position value through index by the corresponding number to retrieve the values. So we can access the data from a series by passing a position value or through index we can do. So here to perform indexing, slicing and accessing data from a series data, you can see this example now. See, import panda as PD. You all know that for what we are doing this import. And here we are creating a series. Now S is a variable that you know. PD is the object for the panda dot series. In that we are passing a list of values. So here this list of values, through the list we are creating a series. Comma index. Now you can see A comma B comma C comma D comma E. So normally the default index, how it will be a number value. It starts with 0. Default it starts with 0. But here I want to give some characters as a index. So A, B, C, D. So anything in the last class itself I told it is not compulsory. You have to give A, B, C, D only. You can give anything you want like X, Y, Z. And it's not compulsory. It should be in order. Anyway, you can give. Now see, with the help of the index position, I am giving now, see, print S of 0. So S of 0 means the 0th index position. That is the value of A. That is in the 0th index. So that is 1. Now print S of colon 3. That means for the first 3 index value. For the first 3 index value, it will take. Then print S of minus 3 colon. So here I didn't give any value in the beginning. Colon 3, that means 0 to 3. That is the meaning. Here minus 3, that means from the reverse I need, from the back side I need the value. So from that it will calculate 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So that is the thing for the last 3 index value. That is the meaning. So in Google Colab, if you do this program, how the output will be. So I will show you how the output will be there in the Google Colab. Now see here. So import panda as PD. S is equal to, already I told you to save your time. I have just typed the program. Okay. So when we execute this, now see the output. So first one, S of 0. So that is the value. S of 0 means 1 you will get. Okay. So 0, the index 0 is having the value 1. That is the output of this. Then print S of colon 3. That means the first 3 values. Okay, A, B, C. That 3 values you will get 1, 2, 3. That is the thing. Then print S of minus 3 colon. That means from the last 3 values. So that is C, D, E you will get. That is the thing. And here to make it more readable, I have given this particular lines. So you will get that when you execute. Now see. So it will be easy for you to understand what is what. So S of 0 means index position. Okay, with the help of the position, we are doing the indexing. Okay, got it? So now, this is the thing. So through the index position, we can able to perform the indexing. This is called as slicing also. Now, with the help of the ILock and lock function, we have a function or a method we can say. We have two things. One is called ILock, the other one is called lock. So what is, with the help of this also, we can able to do slicing. So what's the difference between this ILock and lock? So ILock is used for indexing or selecting based on the position. with the help of the position you want to do, then you have to use the ILock, or with the help of the name, indexing or selecting based on the name, what name you have given. With that, so this is called indexing. Okay, index location, and this is just the location, that's why used for indexing or selecting based on position, and here it is based on the name. That is the main difference between the ILock and the lock. ILock is used for indexing or selecting based on position, and this is based on the name. And this is by row number or column number you will specify. Here, instead of the row number and column number, you can use the row name and column number name. The syntax is row number range, comma, column number range, list of row name, comma, column name. So example, it will be like this. In print, S is our variable where our series we have stored that variable name dot ILock of 1:4. That means from the beginning 1 to 4 you want to print from the index, that is the meaning. But default the index is assigned from 0, that you know, isn't it? So 1 if you are giving also, it will be taken as 0. Now here print s dot lock of :4. So you can use it with the fourth place what is there stored over there, like that you can able to take it. So I will show you this with the example execution. Now see, I have stored already here sd equal to series of 1, 2, 3, 4, and index I have given a, b, c, d, e, f. And here ILock is using index, and here just the location, that is display the data location wise. Now see, when I executed this 1 to 4, so 1 is, this is the index, 1 means this is 0, first value is 0 index, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So we are given 1 to 4. So 1, 2, 3, always length minus 1, no? So up to 3. If you are giving 4, up to 3 value you will get. So B, C, D. B value is 2, C value is 3, D value is 4. That is the meaning. And here just the location you are giving, that is B to E. So directly B to E, here it won't do all that indexing 0, 1 and all, because directly we are locating which are all the location we needed. So lock of B colon E. So the starting value B, the value is what? 2. Up to E index, what is the value is that will be printed. This is the difference between ILock and lock value. So ILock is used to display the data using the index. Lock is used the location. Why? So you can see here lock, that is the property object. And here if you see here s.ILock, you can use it. Okay, so this is the way using of slicing with the help of ILock and lock. So lock is used for indexing or selecting data based on the position. Okay, so ILock is used for indexing or selecting based on position. Lock is used for indexing or selecting based on name. That is the main difference between ILock and lock. The next one is we are going to see about the creating a series from the scalar or the constant value. So we have studied now how to create, we are studying how to create the series. No? In that the next method is creating a series from a scalar or a constant value. So a series we can create using a scalar or constant value. But here you have to keep in your mind the data is scalar value for which it must be provide index. So whenever you are using a scalar value, it is compulsory you have to provide an index. The constant value shall be repeated to match the length of the index. Suppose if you are using a constant, only one value you are giving to fill all the value, then the index is compulsory. What is the length of the index you are given? That many times the scalar value will be repeated. That is the meaning. Suppose for example, here you see this example, import panda as pd, s is equal to, s is a constant, pd dot series 21 comma index a comma b comma c comma d comma e. Within the codes we are given, we are created a index over here. Now, how many index we created? 5 index we created. That means the value 21 will be printed 5 times. That is the meaning. Now, when we are giving print yes, it will be printed 21 times. Suppose if you are giving only A, B in the index, only 2 times it will print. That is the meaning. So instead of giving the character over here, you want the numeric value in your index, that also you can assign it. Like S1 is equal to PD.Series-51, index is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So what will happen? 0 to 3 will be created as the index. The 51 value will be stored over there. That is the meaning. So using scalar or a constant value, how to create a series. So later we will see the program when we execute how it is coming. I think you can able to follow me. If you have any doubt in this, in the comment section, you can write it to me. I will explain it again. The next is the same, the previous program, what we have studied, the series in the index place, we can use the range function. We know how to use the range function. We have studied that already. Now, how to use that range function in the index? I don't want to create 1, 2, 3. So instead of that, you can use the range function. Now see, import pandas pd. S is equal to pd dot series of 21 comma index is equal to, normally index is equal to, we used to give within the square bracket 0, 1, 2, 3 or a within quotes a, b, c or anything we used to give. So instead of giving like this, here we are using the range function. So range of how many index you need, that you can specify. So 0, 3 when we are using, that means we will get 0, 1, 2. So 3 values, that is the meaning. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Up to that index it will create. Then here now see the same thing only using the range function. pd.series51 comma index is equal to range. I am giving 1, 6. So here only the 2 values we passed inside the range, but here we are passing 3 values. What is the difference between these two things means? This is called skipping value. The third value what we are giving inside the range, that is called skip value. So in between, I want to skip the value for that purpose. So how it will print means you will get 1, 3, then 5 you will get up to 1, 6. So the skip value, the differences of 2 position you will get. So the index will be 1, 3 and 5 you will get. That is the meaning of this third argument, the number 2. Suppose instead of 2, if you are giving 3, then you will get 1, 4 only you will get, because up to 6 we are given. There is no other way to extend. If it is 8 over here, then 1, 4, the next number you will get. Okay, so this is using the range function. Then creating series using string as the index. We have seen the numeric value, how to use this index, and we have seen a character, a single letter, how to use as the index. Now I want give a string, a group of character. Already so many times I have told you, a group of letters, a group of characters is called as a string. So I want to use a string as my index. So how to use that? Same thing, there is not much difference. S is equal to pd.series. In the series, what you want to give? Now see, in the series, I'm just typing a string. Welcome to Learn Python series, comma, index is equal to. Now see, here I have given a string, Rachel, Reshmi, Remya, like that. Now when I'm giving print S, what will happen? The index will be printed first, then it will repeat. How many times the index is given, that many times this particular value will be repeated. So it will come like Rachel space welcome to learn Python, Reshmi space welcome to. So this is the index. Instead of 0, 1, 2, how we are giving, like in the same purpose, I have used here string, that is the meaning. So this is creating a series using a string as the index. Now we will see what we have studied today. All this when we execute in Python, how it will be, that we will see now. Okay, so this I have shown you the differences between ILock and the lock one, and this is creating this constant scalar value with the index that we have seen. And now see here, the same thing, creating a scalar value with a constant, scalar means constant value, using the range function. Now see 0, 3, when I used 0, 1, 2, 3. So instead of 0, 3, if you are using 4, then in your output you will get it. Now see 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the thing. And here this is for simply to make it different manner I have given. So whatever you want, you can specify. So it will give a line over there, then it will come. Now see, index range I have used 1, 6, 2, difference of 2 positions. So 1, 3, 5. Suppose if I am giving here 3, the difference, now you see 1 and 4 only we will get. Suppose here if I am giving 8, the range I am giving 1, 8, 3. Now see the difference, 1, 4, 7. So 3, 3 difference you will get. That is the thing. So the difference of 3 position, that means. So before I have given that 2, now the difference of 3 position. So using the range function, how we can give in the index. The next one is using the string, how we can create the index. That is the thing. So import Pandas-PD. Now see, the index what we created here, Rachel, Reshmi, Ramya, that will be over here, Rachel. Then welcome to learn Python series. Okay, so Rachel, welcome to learn Python series. Reshmi, welcome to learn Python series. So whatever you want to give here, the index, suppose I'm giving here just X. So now the X will be there. Okay, X, welcome to learn Python series. So today we have studied scalar values, the constant values, how to create in the series using the index. Then in the index, how to use the range function. Then in index, how to use the string values. The group of characters is called as the string values. How to use the string values, that we have studied. Then in the next class, we will see the series with the range. So the range already here we studied. In the range, how to use the for loop. Then creating series using 2 different lists and creating series using missing values. That is NaN. NaN means what? Not a number. So how to create the range function, series with the range function using for loop. Then create series using 2 different lists. Creating series using the missing value, that is not a number. Missing value means not a number. How to create a series with that. So in the next class we will study. I have made this video as a very small video because some people have asked me, ma'am, don't give more lengthy video. It is give us a small module, then it will be easy for us to understand and remember. That is the reason I have made my video very small today. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this, you can ask me in the comment section. I will explain you. Okay, so in the next class, we will see you all. Bye. Take care. Thank you.